Once upon a time, a young girl named Lily wandered into a mysterious forest. The tall trees whispered secrets and colorful flowers brimmed with magic. As Lily explored deeper, she became lost, surrounded by unfamiliar paths. A misbehaved spirit named Sparkly appeared, offering help. Together they bathed enchanted streams and climbed moss-covered hills. They encountered talking animals, wise old owls and friendly hares who guided them with courage and determination. Lily and Sparkly solved puzzle and overcame obstacle. Finally, they discovered a shimmering portal that led them back home. Though lost, Lily found friendship, magic, and unforgettable memories in the forest.